Hey guys, my name is Aditya and you have tuned into channel A-Cube. In today's video, we are going to review this little guy. Yes, that's the JBL omnidirectional lavalier microphone. Lavalier? Lavalier? I should have checked that out before. Never too late.
JBL omnidirectional lavalier microphone.
Nice.
Sounds about right. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome to A-Cube Tech. The channel is about technology, gaming, and product reviews. If you think that's your cup of tea, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss any videos in the future. Also, I stream every night on Twitch, so if you want to hang out with me or got questions about the tech that I've reviewed so far, you'll find a link in the description below and I'll be happy to have you on my stream. Alright then, so let's roll that intro and get on with the review right away. The unboxing experience was pretty straightforward. The box had the microphone itself, a carry pouch, the user manual, and also a couple of accessories. The accessories included a 3.5mm to a 6.5mm converter. It came with an extra clip and an extra wind cap. Also, they included the button cell which is required to power this microphone. In order to place the button cell, you just twist open the cap on the power unit and place the cell with the right polarity. Once this is done, you can connect the microphone to a laptop or your smartphone and make sure that the right mode is selected on the power unit. So the audio that you've been listening to till now was on the BM800 microphone. Now, if you're into this microphone and want to know more about it, I've done a complete review on it. You'll find a link on the top of your screen or in the description below. Now let's switch the microphones over and connect the JBL microphone and see how that sounds. Alright guys, so the audio that you're listening to is from the JBL microphone itself. Remember, this is an omnidirectional microphone, which means it's capturing sound all around it. Unlike the BM800, which needs to actually point the driver to my mouth, I can keep this anywhere in the surrounding and it will still capture my voice. If you notice, you can already hear a lot of the background noise and the fan and the AC that's running in the room. So I'm using OBS Studios to actually record this session. And what I can do is add a couple of filters to actually get rid of that background noise. So it's important to note that this is not a noise cancelling microphone. So it's definitely going to pick up any background noise that you have. I'm going to add the filters to this microphone a little later. Before that, I'm just going to pin this to my collar and see how it sounds, because that's how it would be used the most. Alright, now that the microphone is in place, you'd get a better idea of the raw audio quality that it can provide without any filters. Let's do a quick audio test and compare this with the BM800 that I usually use for my recordings. Now remember, the first part of this audio test is going to be without any filters on OBS Studio. The second part of the audio test, however, would be with the noise suppression filter turned on to cancel out any background noise that either of the microphones pick up. Make sure you're wearing earphones or headphones to understand the raw audio quality that this mic provides. Sound comes from vibrations. These vibrations create sound waves which move through mediums such as air and water before reaching our ears. Sound comes from vibrations. These vibrations create sound waves which move through mediums such as air and water before reaching our ears. Sound comes from vibrations. These vibrations create sound waves which move through mediums such as air and water before reaching our ears. Sound comes from vibrations. These vibrations create sound waves which move through mediums such as air and water before reaching our ears. Well, I hope that audio test gave you a good idea about how you can compare a lavalier microphone to a condenser microphone with and without noise suppression running on any of your recording or editing softwares. Now, I'm pretty happy with the audio quality of the lavalier microphone. However, I would prefer if there was a way to have the microphone in front of the mouth. So if I place it over here, you can certainly tell the difference between the bass tones of my voice instead of having it pinned to the collar. However, it's a matter of convenience. The microphone has a cable which is almost 6 meters long, so it would be well suited for environments like a presentation room or a classroom where you can pin this microphone and still walk around the room when required. Alright then, that brings us to the end of this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos in the future. See you guys in the next one.